Here's how to borrow money from OnePay in less than 3 minutes. Today I will show you a step-by-step guide how to check your eligibility, review an offer, and understand the loan terms before accepting. First, open the OnePay app and sign into your account. From the home screen, scroll down to discover more. Look through the available products until you find personal loans. If the option appears, tap it to open the personal loans page. Next, tap See if you pre-qualify and follow each prompt on screen. Enter the requested information and complete any identity checks or documented uploads that appear. Then, if you pre-qualify, review the loan offer carefully. You'll see the offered amount, APR, repayment term, and applicable fees. One important warning, this is a financial transaction, so review the terms carefully before borrowing. OnePay advertises loans from $1,000 up to $50,000, but up to $50,000 means that $50,000 is the maximum available amount, not what every applicant receives. Your actual offer depends on your eligibility and approval. Now, check the repayment terms and origination fee before accepting. The advertised APR can range from 7.74% to 35.99%, while repayment terms can range from 24 to 84 months. The origination fee can also be deducted from your loan amount before the funds are sent. Once you've reviewed the complete terms, accept the offer only if you decide to proceed. After that, complete any remaining verification requests. Then choose the bank account where your approved funds should be deposited. Standard ACH funding typically takes 1 to 3 business days after verification. If you don't see this option, there's another way. Return to the home screen and check Discover More again. If personal loans remains unavailable, use OnePay's in-app chat support to ask whether your account is eligible. Remember, pre-qualification does not guarantee final approval. Once everything is set, an approved and accepted loan will appear in OnePay with its repayment information, while the funds are sent to your selected bank account. Following these simple steps makes borrowing money from OnePay quick and easy.